Kahlua. 3 cocktails for coffee lovers. Simple 2-ingredient cocktail. 1.5 ounce vodka, 3/4 ounce Kahlua coffee liqueur. But what is Kahlua? Kahlua is a rum-based spirit made with 100% Arabica coffee beans, and it's no wonder why it's the #1 coffee liqueur on the market. It takes 6 to 7 years per bottle to make this. This spirit was created in 1936 and holds an ABV, or alcohol by volume, of 20%. Popularized by the Big Lebowski.
Yeah, sure, White Russian.
Cocktail built over ice. What does that mean? That means that you're gonna put all of the ingredients one on top of each other and you're not gonna shake it. It's gonna have somewhat of a layered effect because it's just like the Black Russian, vodka, Kahlua, but you're gonna add a little bit of half and half right to the top and it's gonna sit on top. It's basically like an adult chocolate milk. It's so good. 1.5 ounces of vodka. 3/4 ounces of Kahlua. And just 1 ounce of half and half. If the White Russian is the adult chocolate milk, the mudslide is definitely the adult milkshake. You want to have some cracked ice ready. In a blender. Yeah, I'm breaking out the blender, bringing it back to the TGI Fridays days. You're going to want to combine 1 ounce of Bailey's, 1 ounce of Kahlua, and 1 ounce of vodka. 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream, 1 scoop of crushed ice, and blend. In a big martini glass, or if you can get one of these swirl glasses, it's perfect size. Rim the inside with Hershey syrup, and then quickly pour your mix inside to freeze the chocolate syrup. Don't forget a straw for you and your friends to share. So if you have some Kahlua recipes that you want to share with us, drop them in the comments. Until then, I'm gonna take this and this. If you want some more cocktail videos, check out this one right here. Thanks for watching.